Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is a bit of a different video. Basically at work we had a competition, and the competition was to make a cocktail, and I sort of ran with it. And because I do YouTube, I did video instructions, and I thought, why not just throw it on YouTube so that I can look back at it in the future, because it was just really fun to make. Some nice memories with my boyfriend, and I don't know, I just kind of wanted to put it online. So I thought I'd do a quick intro to explain what the hell this is, because it's a bit random. We're sort of joking around. It's not a serious video at all, but it was actually really yummy. Like, I've actually added the recipe to my website. It was so good. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy this. It's a little bit different to what I'm used to doing, but I just sort of was having a bit of fun.
It's recording now, yeah.
Okay, right. First I'm gonna wet around the sides. We're going to try and give it a nice snowy effect. Okay, let's see if this works. I have no idea. Oh, that sounds horrible. There we go. Not bad. A little bit lumpy, but we'll do that. Okay. So we're going to do, well, it was going to be a mojito, but that sort of didn't go to plan because couldn't find any of the ingredients. But we're just gonna make up our own rum, sort of fruity Christmas drink. So first you're just gonna throw a load of ice in it. And you can crush it, but Jack broke the bag, so.
She's copied me, by the way.
I'm not. I'm making up my own recipe. Can't get the ice out. Ugh. Okay, and then we're gonna get some frozen cranberries. Jack, don't zoom in. Don't zoom in. Don't. Very festive. Stop it. Right, now the good part. We're going to throw in a load of gay rum. So I think I'm just going to do a quarter, a quarter, a quarter, a quarter. But I don't know how strong that is, but we'll just drink it anyway. Yeah, that'll do. And then we've got some festive cranberry juice. Are you going to show the cranberry juice now, Jack? Well done. Sorry, guys. This is first time. Okay. Oh. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Stop. You're making me look bad. Come back. Right. Quarter of orange. Oh, that sounds nice. Is that enough? Yeah. And then we got some pineapple juice. It's festive. Jack's idea, I don't know. And about, so that's about it. Right, what else do we need? Oh, festive limes. Rosemary, because I didn't have any mint. Apparently rosemary's festive. And then Christmas tree, and let's do one of these. Oh my god, it's coming together. Yeah, that looks alright. I've got a few of these. Does that look alright, Jack? Does that look good? Oh, and the straws. I didn't tell Jack we had. And there you go. That is my festive drink, and I'm going to try it. And it, honestly, I'm sure it's going to taste delicious. You're going to want to try this one. Thanks for watching that, guys. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, make sure to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I definitely enjoyed making it and drinking it afterwards. It was delicious. Like I said, this isn't like my usual content. This is a bit more ad hoc, kind of really random, making it up as I go along. But if you enjoy that, let me know. Maybe that's more of what I could do. I don't know. This was just a bit of fun for work. Okay, I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.